Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today I am going to be doing a review on a foundation. I'm really excited because I feel like I haven't done a review in a foundation in a very long time. This is the R.E.M Beauty. I've been hearing nothing but amazing things about it. I want to try, of course, this one and then the Lady Gaga one. If you guys have tried that one, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions. I would love to know. You like my eye look? I just used the new Huda Beauty palette, the pretty grunge palette, and I'll link the video right here or down below. So let's go in with our face. I'm going to be using the Tatcha primer. Once I have something like in rotation, I continue to use it until something else piques my interest, and then I'm like, oh, I have like the same amount of primers that I do foundation. Is that anybody else? I feel like, is that even necessary? But this stuff right here, the Tatcha primer, I feel, and there is a difference. I'm like, yeah. All right, so R.E.M Beauty. The shade that I got was medium N9. I'm hoping it's my shade. I don't even know if it fits me. Packaging right at the bat is freaking cute, super thin, unique, different. Who has a thin ass foundation? I don't know. You could like stack something on it. That's cute. Would you like some tea? This tea supposedly is supposed to clean your soul. Day 3. So I did purchase this at Ulta, 35 buckaroos. It's waterproof, vegan, cruelty free, available in 60 shades. It has a natural matte finish, which yes, all that good stuff. I'll have it right here, all the stuff that it does. Now let's get to going. Okay, one side I will do a sponge, one side I will do a brush. If y'all remember, I used to do that. Took a few pumps. Don't think I pumped a lot. It just took a few. I think it's gonna match me. I think I did it. Ooh, this is a nice like moussey texture, like very moussey, almost like Maybelline. Like it really, maybe it's Maybelline. Yeah, that feels really good. Okay, let's see. Where okay, this side we will do the brush because like I hella blended that into my face, but we will do brush on this side. Not gonna lie, first impression, I'm like getting pretty excited. I will be using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly brush and painting this on my face. That looks pretty good. Okay, getting me excited. So that is one. You could still see my skin peeking through. Do you see that? I don't like that. I'm a full coverage girl, okay? Maybe sometimes I'll like my skin to come through, but that, I'd rather buy BB cream. You know what I mean? It looks nice, it looks healthy, but let's blend some more. Okay, so this is one. No foundation? Foundation. No foundation? Foundation. Let's go in with another layer. Blend it down your neck. Damn, that covered. Okay, yeah, it is definitely blendable for sure. Blendable, buildable. Look, boom, boom. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna go to this side. This side we're gonna be using a sponge. I'm gonna be using my Stance Beauty. I love this one. I really like the texture. I like the texture is like really nice. Instead of me moving my mirror, I'm just like having to like go like this to the other side. All right, I'm gonna blend that. I already know what side I like. And that's going to be the brush side, but I'll let you guys choose. It kind of looks like a little gray, right? I feel like it looks a little gray. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like it looks a little gray. Okay, so there is, without building it up, you can still see my skin peeking through. I feel like I'm a full coverage kind of girl. Let's go in with the rest of it and just build this up. I don't know, I'm not fully in love with like the color. The match is perfect, but I don't like the color that it looks like. That makes sense. Like it looks dull. I don't know, but the coverage is amazing. Coverage is amazing. Don't mind me, I have to clean my hands. I don't like my hands dirty with foundation. I don't know why. I just get all like, ooh. So far I like it. Maybe I'll like it more when I do like the whole like everything. I just, oh, that's some good coverage. Yeah, that's some pretty good coverage. Like for real, that is like some really nice coverage. I really like that. I'm going to go in with these two. The Urban Decay Quickie and 50WY. I like the yellow this has. So I'm hoping it will like balance the rest of my face. You know what I mean? Chili bang. Add some right here. And then for giggles, I am going to use the Benefit Cantaloupe because I'm hungry. Okay. And this is a really pretty yellow that this has too. I love it. I'm gonna go in with that same foundation brush and I'm just gonna pat that right there, right here. And then next I want to use my LA Girl concealer. Look how freaking cool this PR package is. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They freaking spoiled me. Thank you so much to LA Girl. I will be using the shade Beautiful Bronze. And we're just going to add some bronze up in this bitch. Okay. I just do the extra right there. I honestly don't know what that does, but it is cute. So since the concealer has been chilling for a minute, let's just go in there and pat that out. Same thing over here. Now to blend the contour, lightly dab and lightly blend. Blend. So I did want to try this. Huda Beauty sent this over. This is Easy Bake Press to Snatch. Look how freaking cute. I'm so freaking excited. I freaking love, like, look at this, the stickers. If you guys don't know, I collect a lot of stickers. It says, get snatched. It's for underneath. I'm excited. So I got sent the Easy Bake and Snatch Pressed Brightening and Setting Powder. Yes. Favorite. I got a backup of my Blondie. I'm obsessed with that, you guys. It is so freaking good. I got Banana Bread. I got Blondie, Easy Bake and Snatch. I am freaking spoiled. Thank you so much, Huda. Look. Oh my gosh, I love these little things. Oh my gosh, look at this. I will be putting some in the giveaway for you guys. Mira. Look at this. So pretty. Open it up. This is how it looks. I keep making these pendeja faces, but I'm excited, you guys. You open this up and then you have the Huda Beauty sponge applicator. That is so freaking cool. So you just swipe and pat. That is freaking cute. I like it, and I like how it says Huda. Do you guys see that? Banana Bread is really gonna brighten underneath there. I also got Blondie, which that's the shade that I like using to set. And this one I'm freaking excited about. This is a Cherry Blossom Cake. I don't know if the trend is dead, but how everyone likes to set with a pink powder. Ew. Ew. Everyone likes to set with the pink powder. I got it. Look at that. I'm gonna go in with a cute little baby one. Get some on there and go underneath. Okay. Same thing to this side. Forehead. So I guess instead of it being in a loose setting powder, it is in a powder. Love that. You could go in the brush, but I'm just being extra. So I'm just gonna set my whole face and then I'll be right back. Next goodie I will be trying is the Benefit Hoola Desert Retreat. I love how the packaging is a lot flatter. Look at that. Okay, I have not tried the caramel shade yet, so I'm really excited to do that. And let's bring life. Okay, now since we did put the concealer, I do see like, okay, I don't look as, I want to say like muted, you know? Like it's not like you can like see like a glow. We will work with it. I like the coverage, so we will work with it. And the setting powder, I did like that's really nice, especially like on the go. Yes. I'm just going to press and then flick up. That's beautiful. That's what we needed. We needed life, you know what I mean? Like, oh, okay. Been like bathing in castor oil lately, like literally. I seen it on TikTok where everyone was like, oh, use this, use that. And I was like, okay. How many babies have you had? I've had 5 births. My back is killing. But using the castor oil has really been helping. So yeah. I want to use the Cherry Blossom one. I want to see what that does because I'm so freaking excited. So I'm just going to just marinate this sponge in there. And we're going to okay. Relax. We're gonna let that bake and then we'll remove it in a little bit. L'Oreal sent me over a beautiful package. Look how freaking pretty. The blushes screamed to me. Like, look how freaking beautiful, especially this one right here. We're gonna do it. This is their Fearless Coral. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with coral. You would think I was a mermaid. How much I love the coral shades. Like I'm cooking, huh? See? And I don't want to do too much because we have a grunge going on. We should have went in with a berry. So pigmented. And I feel like blush is like, well, I don't feel like, I know. Blush is the first to fade. I think I went overboard. Okay, so I did the lips. I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 3. It's a really pretty chocolatey brown. I went over it with one of the shades that I got from L'Oreal. It's so beautiful. It is in the shade Breakfast in Bed, and it gave me this really pretty combination. Love. I love. Look at that. Okay, now let's set our face. Okay, so I'm all finished. It is currently 1:40. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day and give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the foundation. So far, I really like the coverage. I don't like the color so much. Like, I feel like it makes me look kind of dull. Like I had to brighten it up with the concealer. But maybe this is going to be as a foundation that, like, as time passes, I will like. We will see. Like the packaging, but it's not really about the packaging. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. This is how it looks up close and personal. See everything. I feel like I went a little bit overboard with the powder, but we'll see how it goes. I will see you guys in my update. Okay, y'all, it's been a busy day. So it is currently 7:07. You think this would be the last update? No. I have to go out, run some errands, but I wanted to show you guys how the makeup is holding up. It looks really good and nice. I am getting some oil on my forehead, around my nose, but overall, it looks good. Here it is up close. You can see the oil. I am not gonna blot because I want to see how it would look at the end of the day, and then we'll blot at the end of the day. But here it is so far. I think it's holding up pretty freaking good, so I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so it is 10:54. Yeah, it is 10:54, and here is how the foundation held up. Have some oil around my nose, my forehead. It looks pretty okay. I'm pretty sure once I blot, it's going to look even better. I don't know why I'm still hung up on like the whole, I didn't like the undertone of it. So I think I'm going to have to see another shade to see like maybe if I like it. If we are similar shades, please let me know what one you got, or if this is the one you got, what are your thoughts and opinions on it, all that good stuff. Let me show you guys up close how everything looks. So this is how everything held up. Everything still looks like really good. I really like how everything still looks. You can just see that I do have oil on my face. Not too much where it's like very annoying, but enough. And I'm just going to blot. I like to show you guys when I blot, so that you could see how it looks. Like, okay, if you do blot throughout the day, it won't look like this. It'll look good. I envy the girlies that do not have to blot. What's that like? What is it like to be God's favorite? There's like a lot of oil. It didn't look like too much, but there's enough. Like, there's enough on there. Like, your face is hydrated. Like, the whole thing has a lot of oil. But now you look at it, it doesn't look how I looked earlier, where it looks like, dang, she's sweating. You know what I mean? It doesn't look like that. It looks just like, oh, okay, we've had foundation on for a while, but it doesn't look that bad. You know what I mean? It doesn't look like how when I first applied it, but it looks like, okay, you've been wearing it a while, but it doesn't look bad. Thoughts on it? I'm going to see another shade. This one matches me perfectly, but it's just not that tone. And I don't know, you let me know, like, girl, you're tripping, it looks fine. Or maybe it's just me where like I have tested out so many foundations, like I know what I'd like. I am very picky and particular with the foundations. Especially because like they ain't cheap, you know what I mean? Like, you want to be like completely satisfied. I love the packaging. The packaging is freaking cute. I love it. Very sleek, very nice. I like it. Like, it's different. It stands out. I like it. I feel like I went overboard with the powder for sure. I feel like with the powder, like, take it easy. I will play with that a little bit more. I feel like less is more. You know what I mean? And I feel like I went overboard. I got a little bit too hype, especially with Cherry Blossom. Calm down. But it all came together. I feel like it did help. It did save some stuff. You know what I mean? I feel like it was like, okay. But yeah, I love you guys so freaking much. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys enjoy the makeup reviews. I'll definitely keep them coming. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.